everyone! Welcome back, Java mini programs. We're going to explore one of the most powerful features of the language, enums. We'll build a simple yet useful application that represents days of the week using an enum, checks whether a day is a weekend, and calculates the next working day. So let's get right into it. Enum, short for enumerations, are special Java types that represent a fixed set of constants. They're perfect when you have a limited number of possible values, like days of the week, months, directions, or status codes. Think of it like this. Instead of using strings like Monday or Friday, we define an enum called day and let the compiler enforce type safety for us. Here's our enum day. It contains all 7 days. Enum day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Each constant inside an enum is an instance of that enum type. So day.Monday is an actual object you can work with. We can add methods inside enums. Let's create 2 methods. IsWeekend returns true if the day is Saturday or Sunday. Next working day calculates the next weekday after today. Here's what isWeekend looks like. Public boolean, isWeekend. Return this equals Saturday, or this equals Sunday. And next working day uses a switch statement. Public day, next working day. This, case Friday, case Saturday, case Sunday. Return Monday. We're using ordinal to get the index of the current day and jump to the next. In our main method, we test these methods with day.Friday. Day today equals day.Friday. We print today is followed by the current day. Whether it's a weekend using today.isWeekend and what the next working day is with today.nextWorkingDay. We also loop through all days to display each one's status. For day.values inside the loop, for each day, we output the name of the day, whether it's a weekend, and the next working day. This gives us a full picture for every day of the week. Let's quickly recap with explanation based on the code. Firstly, we used an enum to define fixed days of the week. This enum defines exactly 7 constant values, 1 for each day. It ensures that only these values can be used, which avoids invalid strings, for example, fun day. Using enums enforces type safety, that is, the compiler won't allow invalid assignments. Then, we added logic to check if it's a weekend. This method inside the enum, isWeekend, checks if the current enum value is either Saturday or Sunday. When you call today.isWeekend, it tells you whether today is a weekend. Then we calculated the next working day using built-in enum features. Here the method nextWorkingDay uses values and ordinal functions. Values gives you all the items inside an enum as an array, so you can loop through them or access them one by one. And ordinal gives the index of the enum and loops until it finds a non-weekend day. For example, if today is Friday, the next value is Saturday, but since it's a weekend, it skips to Monday. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Java content. Drop a comment if you'd like to see a similar example for months or calendar utilities. Until next time, keep coding smart.